few moments later.
View. Oh my god. Literal on a hike. Oh my goodness. The view is worth it though. So man, we're currently walking. Tapos may nakita akong daan. Gagi. Parang di daan. Parang wish buhay man. But anyways, God. I don't even know if this is private property, but yes, nakidaan pa ako. Kaka-walking kung saan na napadpad eh. So yun. Anyways, one with nature. Walang katao-tao man. Kung private property man to, I'm so sorry. I just want to walk. Be one with nature, guys. That is... Puro kawayan. Grabe. Sheesh. I don't even know what's taking me. Very... And I think I saw something. There's something there. Kita nyo ba? Gagi. Parang cemetery man. So, nag-video ako. Parang makita nyo din. Oh, damn, I think it is a cemetery. It is a cemetery. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry. It's a cemetery. Oh, I think it's cemetery ng Buyagan. Pinaka-top part. Wait, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna stop taking video of them now. Damn. I don't know if it's kalimutan. Hindi naman. Ito RIP po. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now. Excuse me po, makikita. Oh, it's a cemetery man. So yun, I finished praying. Pero ngayon, my problem is, I don't think the road is safe. But I'm gonna try to navigate through. Hopefully makalabas ako man. So yun,
A few moments later.
So yun man. I think we're out. Or palabas na. Yeah, I think so. But damn, look at the view, bro. Wait, I need to go down a few more steps because the grass is in the way. Look at it. Sheesh. It is so beautiful. Ay, yung mga sabi ng mga vlogger, like people on TikTok, sabi nila, anything is like worth it. Parang yun, mawawala daw yung pagod mo kapag ganyan yung view. Legit man. So yun guys, we're out. Palabas naman. Ito na yung sunset. So like, thank God, I didn't slip and fall. Saka matagdag ako dun sa isa sa mga puntod dun man. But yeah. So, I'll be walking sa highway now. Iiwasan ko yung highway, guys. Kasi mas okay yung sa liblib. Para kahit hingal na hingal ako, guys, hindi ako mapapaya kasi walang tao. Walang. Muntik na tayo mawala. Sabi, ito yun ang tama yung ginana natin. 7 kilometers in. Kung saan na akong naglalakad. Sabi, ala, ito na lang. Follow your heart. Kahit saan na mapadpad. So we're currently at Pico Toyong, Sitio Toyong, tama ba? Sitio Toyong, Barangay Pico. Yun. I'm just enjoying the view. So yun, this is so funny. I went back. Huli ko sa pinaglabasan ko kanina naman. Grabe. Grabe. Doon ako lumabas kanina guys. Yung sa may kinis. And I went back. Right? I went in circles. This is so funny. So I'm gonna go back. So yun. 8.5 kilometers in. Nakalabas na tayo sa highway. Nasa may clean fuel na tayo guys. Kung saan na ako lumusot. Pero at least diba, the more you learn, may bago na akong pupuntahan kapag ano, Chinese. So, lapit na tayo sa katotohanan. Nakalakad daw pa wiki na Lola. So, yun, may ulit ang update. 9 kilometers in. So, malapit na talaga tayo sa katotohanan, guys. So, I just have to walk dito sa may beach. Nakakatakot kasi walang sidewalk, guys. Look at, Tiral, bridge. Nakakatakot man. Anytime pwede ka kumasaki. So yun. So dito rin this area. This main ba? Dito. So yun. Where's my phone lagging? May hitan siya. So wait. So I need to stop it. I think it's still lagging. Anyways, yun, malapit na tayo. Kina Lola Deer. Ilang hakbang na lang. Kilometer 256. So yun.